All right, so here we have this wire stripping kit. I didn't have much success with it. I tried it out before I started recording, but we will check it out. So it comes in this little box. I have the 14 on my drill right now, but it has a 12 gauge, a 10, a 8, and a 6 gauge wire. I guess not cutter, but slicer, splitter, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, you have this tool. You put the little nuts on there, and then it'll twist it onto the wires. And you have this tool. This one will just you just put the wires in, and it'll twist the wires together. So you put it on your. I forgot. I'll take it off. You have this like adapter thing. Oh, it's not gonna come on for me. Hold on. All right, there we go. So you have this like adapter thing that you can put on any of them. If you hold it, it'll make it longer. If you hold it, it'll go shorter. So you just screw this on to any of these 5, and you put it into your drill. Tighten it on. And like I said, you can make it longer, shorter. So I have this 14 gauge wire here. So you're supposed to just put it in, hit the drill, and it's supposed to take off the wire or the coating. I haven't had success with it. I don't know if it's the wire. I don't know why it would be the wire, but I would assume if you have something like this, it should work with any wire as long as it's the right gauge. This is 14 gauge, and it's just not working out for me. I don't have any different wire to try out, but so that's not working out for me. We will try the other tools and see if they work. I'm thinking it might just be a fluke, but I'm thinking also it should work with any wire as long as it's the right gauge. But we'll try out the other tools as well. All right, so here we have this tool. So this just goes onto your drill, and then it'll just twist the wires together. So we'll try that. Here I have 3 14 gauge wires. And that works perfectly. It twists it together. Let's see. So that worked perfectly. Next we'll try the other tool. I call them nuts. So this is supposed to put the nut in here, and then you'll put it on the drill, and it'll twist it on nice and tightly. So I'll try that right now. All right, so here we have that. We put the nut right in there. You put this on your drill. I'll probably put this on my drill first and then put that on, but that's all right. So tighten that on. All right. So then we just put this in, and there you go. It's nice and tight. So it's actually really tight. You'd probably have to use the tool to get it back off, because that's drawn really good. Yeah, so other than it not stripping the wire, I don't know. Maybe it's just the wire that I have, which I don't understand why would that be. Maybe I'll get some new wire and try it, or a different size wire and try it and see. But like I said, it should work with all wires of that gauge. But yeah, so there you go.